going to be reviewing a brand new Glossier product, and if you guys are subscribed, you know that I am a huge fan of Glossier, and I also actually used to work for the brand, so I'm pretty knowledgeable on their products, and every time a new Glossier product is released, I review it on this channel. And so today we are going to be reviewing the Glossier hand cream, and we're going to be talking about the packaging, how it dispenses, how to use it, the scent, the ingredients, and other things to know. So this is the packaging that it came in. I'm just going to rip this open and we will get started. Ooh, it's very soft. So here it is. I will put a close-up on the screen, but first let's talk about the packaging. So this is a ergonomic packaging. The body of the product is recyclable, however this cap at the top is not. I noticed that a lot of people were asking, is it refillable? Unfortunately, Glossier did not make this refillable. However, like I said, the packaging is mostly recyclable, so not really there yet in terms of sustainability with their products, but they are at least making them recyclable, which is good. It is cruelty-free, as with all of the Glossier products are cruelty-free. It is dairy-free, but it's not vegan. When I ordered this, I do want to point out that Glossier is open for shipping right now. I ordered the product the day that it was released, which was April 23rd, and it was actually delivered to me in the mail via standard free shipping on April 29th, so almost a week later, which is good to know. Obviously, I'm sure that things vary depending on if you live in another country. Just every country kind of has different regulations with shipping right now, but Glossier is open for shipping, and at least from my experience, there wasn't any delay from the amount of time that I normally receive products from Glossier, so that is good to know. The product is 1.7 fluid ounces, so it's just under 2 ounces, which means you can take it on a plane with you. It's meant to be kind of just like grab and go, throw it in your purse, keep one in your car, keep one on your desk. It is $18 though, so in my opinion, that is on the more expensive side for a hand cream. So maybe don't buy 3 different ones, but yeah, we will, I guess, test out to see if we think that it's actually worth the full $18 for only under 2 ounces. So it better be pretty good. I know that some people were asking if this little lid was secure. That way, if they do throw it into the bottom of their purse, it won't explode and get product all over the bottom of your purse. And Glossier said that this cap is designed to click shut and to stay safe, so hopefully that shouldn't happen. So let's dispense the product. I've heard that a little bit goes a long way and you only need a tiny dab will do you. So it's got this little classic Glossier red dispenser at the top, and I am just going to put a little bit onto my hand. Okie dokie. So it was very easy to squeeze. It says a 360-degree squeeze, which is true. You can squeeze the sides even, squeeze the corners, squeeze all around, so that will be helpful when the product is running low to really squeeze it enough to get all of the product out of it. So it's not a super thick cream and it's not a super light cream, so I'd say it's about in the middle. Just going to rub this all over my hands. So right away, I'm noticing the scent. So let's talk about that. I've been reading a lot of reviews that say the scent is a big factor for them and that this scent is a little strong. I am noticing that it is strong. It's supposed to be kind of Glossier you reimagined. I don't mind the scent. I think I do understand what people mean though. Some people think it's a little bit more like clinical smelling or plasticky. I can see how it is a little plasticky. I don't love the scent. It is, I would say, a gender neutral scent. It's not overly super floral or super like musky either. It's kind of in between. and it does absorb pretty fast. Their whole thing that they said is it's not greasy. I wouldn't say that that's 100% true. I'm feeling a little bit greasy on my hands. Certainly not as much as other products. My hands definitely do feel moisturized, but I wouldn't say that they are 100% grease free. And since all of us are washing our hands a lot more often these days, given everything, it is good to just kind of have a hand cream to bring moisture back into your hands, bring them back to life, make them feel soft, and protect them long term. Before filming this video, was just doing dishes, so my hands were super dry from all of like the soap, so I am glad to have this. I do know what they mean though. I think that the scent is a little bit too much. I prefer to have unscented hand creams, and that is because I use my hand creams a lot in public settings. So if I'm sitting at my desk at work, or if I'm on the subway and I'm in close quarters with other people, I don't want to, when I put my hand cream on, to suddenly go out and other people are suddenly like smelling it. I don't want an overwhelming scent. I used to put hand cream on all the time at my desk at work, and every time I did, people would be like, like that smells good. And although that's nice that they say that it smells good, I don't want them to be smelling my products at all, because I'm sure that there are people that don't think that it smells good, and maybe it does bother them, and some people can be very sensitive to scent. I know, myself included. I always like have a flashback to this flywheels, which is a spin class that I took, and the girl on the bike next to me was wearing Santal 33, which in New York is like the classic scent. So many cool girls wear this scent, but personally it makes me feel sick. And when I was on a bike and everyone's in this tiny dark sweaty room at cycling classes, and this girl had this heavy perfume, and it just when I was on the bike, it just made me want to puke. So I want to be very, very conscious and sensitive to others around me when it comes to the scents that I'm wearing. I think a little bit of perfume here and there obviously is good, but I don't wear perfume to work, and that's kind of where I am 99% of the time. So yeah, I think when it comes to a hand cream, I would much rather have it be unscented. So personally for me, just given the fact that this is a very strong scent, and I don't love the scent. It kind of reminds me of something weird. Scent is very heavily tied to memory, and it just reminds me of having a weird feeling, and I don't know. I don't like the scent. You may love the scent. You may smell this and be like, I love this. It's Glossier You reimagined. It's a little musky and creamy. And so it says that it's a warm base of ambro, musk, and ambrette that's balanced with top notes like pink pepper and green iris, which again, some people might love, but yeah, I would say for me, the downside is the scent. Other things to note are that it is fast absorbing, I will say that, and it is designed specifically for your hands. So I would not put this on your face. You could probably use a hand cream for your body. I'm sure that it's fine for that, but do not put this on your face, especially since it has fragrance in it. Just don't do that. Hands and body only. Glossier, of course, does have a body lotion. That is the Body Hero. I do love that lotion. I use it in combination with the Body Hero Daily Oil Wash. I use that in the shower just because it doesn't strip your skin, and it's just a nice oil wash. It's pH balanced as well, so that's really good. I think that this cap pops open easily. You kind of just if you were to pop it here, it kind of goes the rest of the way itself, like that. I just got product everywhere. I don't know if that came up on if that came across on camera, but I just opened it and went psh. It is suitable for all skin types, so I heard, if you have sensitive skin, it is okay for you. Also, I've heard some people ask questions about if you have eczema, and don't quote me, but I think that it is still okay. So talking about the ingredients here, so of course there are a lot of ingredients in here, but the main ingredients to call out are meadow foam seed oil, and coconut fruit extract. So anything with coconut is usually a good product, I think, when I just think about coconut oil. And it does not have sunscreen in it, which is a little bit disappointing. I would love for a hand cream from Glossier to have sunscreen in it, just because, like your face, your hands show aging much quicker than the rest of your body. So anytime I'm putting sunscreen on my face, I always will put some on the backs of my hands. So it would have been nice if it had sunscreen in it, but I do understand that they're just trying to kind of create a product where you could use this in any situation. Like if it were in the middle of the winter or the rainy day, it's just a hand cream. So yeah, and if you really want, you can, I have the Glossier Invisible Shield, which is an SPF, it's clear, so you could always just put that on the back of your hands as well. It's kind of annoying that that is two separate products that you need to use, but that is, I guess, the alternative. What else I think is cool about this is that during all of this chaos in the world, Glossier did donate a lot of these hand creams to healthcare workers who are washing their hands a lot all day long, and I think some other products as well. So I think that that's great. Obviously, Glossier as a company is very responsible in that way, and I love the fact that they are able to just quickly adapt to whatever the needs are, and the fact that they donated these hand creams to healthcare workers before they were even released to the public. I just love that they did that, and I think that that's great. So yeah, but all in all, final thoughts. Will I purchase this product again once I use it up? No. Probably not, because it is $18, and also because of the scent that I just don't love, because I did buy it and, you know, I wanted to review it for you guys. I probably will hang on to it. I'll throw it in the bottom of my purse. If I'm not around a lot of people and my hands are dry, I probably will just use it. But even just sitting here, we've been talking for, I don't know how long, 10 minutes or so, I can still smell it. And so yeah, that's one thing I don't love about it, but you might feel differently. Of course, once everything opens up, Glossier has been opening up a lot of more stores around the country and in other cities in the world. So if you are able to just go in and smell the product first before buying it, I would definitely recommend that. Obviously, you know, try it out before you buy it if you can. If not, you can get it and always return it. They have great customer service and a really great return policy. You just email gteam@glossier.com and they will take care of everything for you. The girls and guys over there are just so great, and I would not worry about that. It is very cute though. I love the Glossier pink. I just love everything pink. It is cute to hold in your hand. It looks like a deodorant to me though. I don't know if anybody else thinks that, just like the fact that it has this round thing at the top. I feel like it looks totally like a deodorant, but let me know if you think that too. Alright, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something about this hand cream and kind of weighed the positives and the negatives if you were thinking about buying it. If you are a huge Glossier fan like me and you buy every single product that they put out to try anyways, then totally get it. But yeah, just hope that I gave you some things to think about. Definitely leave a comment. Have you tried this product? Are you going to buy it? Are you not? What are you thinking? Let me know. Let's have a conversation. I have been realizing that I know everybody like on YouTube and bloggers and stuff always feel this way, but I really feel like I just have the best audience, and I've had so many conversations with you guys over DM and over the comments, and I feel like I'm like remembering things about you and we're like having real conversations. And so that's what I want to do here, because we're all just girls that, well, and guys that are going through a lot of the same things and that enjoy and have interests in a lot of the same things. So I think that it's just so fun to talk about them and learn from each other, and I learned so many things from you guys. I can't tell you how many times you guys have suggested products back to me, and it's just a great kind of to have a dialogue, and it's just fun. I think that that's kind of the value that channels like this sort of bring to the world. Is I think that we all, especially now, need a little bit of time to just switch off and watch something fun and enjoyable. So that's what we're here to do. So if you like all of that, and if you want to see more reviews like this or just other videos, then definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And also I have my Instagram account called The Fashion Squirrel, and I post daily outfit inspiration on there, so definitely check that out as well. I also totally revamped my blog, so I have a brand new, it's called thefashionsquirrel.com, and I completely redid like the layout and everything, and I'm trying to post more often on there, so that is fun. And yeah, I hope that I will see you guys next time. All right.